Hi guys, welcome to QCL again, and thank you for watching this show this time. You know, Hannah, as now that we know that SMC is the most popular topics, right, in the market, and people are always keen and high demand in getting New Zealand resident.
Yeah.
And I think currently in the worldwide, New Zealand resident is one of the easiest in the world, and people are looking to apply. So for this video, we just going to talk and focus on about SMC because there's so many updates, right, in the from immigration now. So maybe I haven't done introduction by Hannah. Okay. Before that, guys, let me introduce you to one of our most talented lawyers with us, Hannah. Here. Maybe Hannah, introduce yourself first.
My name is Hannah and I'm one of the immigration lawyers here at Queen City Law, and we do all kinds of visas from the easiest one to the most complex ones, from visitor visa up to deportation, which I hope we're not gonna get a lot.
Yes.
And yeah, as what Henny said, there's new SMC residents coming up, and we're looking forward to all the applications that we're gonna be doing. So it's gonna be a busy end of the year for all of us here. Yeah, what are the current reviews that you've heard with the current SMC?
So, you know, with so many updates, I think there are 3 updates from immigrations, right? Maybe, Hannah, can you start with explaining briefly, in a brief background, what actually SMC is, and let's not make it too difficult for the audience.
Yeah.
Make it
So
like...
they'll still need us.
Yes. Right. Hannah, first question is, brief us, what is SMC?
Okay, so SMC stands for Skilled Migrant Category. So currently, it's a points-based system only. Once you get 6 points, then you'll be able to apply residence. But after August 24, there will be 3 branches of SMC. The first one would still be the points-based system, still 6 points. The second one would be the Trades and Technicians pathway, and the last one will be the Skilled Work Experience pathway. So for the points-based system, there's an increase of pointing system for qualification. Some qualifications are upgraded, and you would also need a lower skilled work experience to meet your points. And for the Trades and Technicians pathway, you only need to fall in one of the roles on the list and then have your level 4 certificate and have a post-qualification experience. And for the last one, it's the skilled work experience. It's for those who's working in a high skilled role, but they don't have any qualifications. So those are the brief summary of all of it.
So I just like to talk about 2 main topics. So you know how we have, there's so many students entering New Zealand right now, right? And everybody pursuing a master degree, because we know that currently under the master degree is the easiest pathway to get a residence. Maybe you like to speak more about, you know, like how you get resident through the master degree pathway?
Yeah, so currently the master's degree is 5 points, and then you would have to work 1 year in a skilled role to get the 1 point remaining, so that's 6 points. But after August 24, master's degree in New Zealand with a bachelor overseas, it's going to be 6 points. So you only need a skilled work offer or current employment. For example, we have a student who's finished their master's in July, and they got an offer as a payroll administrator at 35 New Zealand dollar per hour. So after August 24, she will be able to apply for residency. Of course, meeting all the general requirements, police certificate, health, and those kind of things.
Okay. I also have very interesting question, like when I meet with people, right? How about those people that hold AEWV work visa, right? How can they apply residence, and what would be your easiest pathway for them, do you think?
So for those who's working AEWV, the first step to look at is if their skill is high skill or low skill. If it's high skill, level 1 to 3, then they might be able to fit in the skilled work experience pathway. And if it's also an AEWV, then it's worth checking if they have qualifications like bachelor. So that will be 4 points after August 24, and they only need to work in a skilled role for 1.5 years, and then that's 2 points. So that's 6 points.
Okay. Now we go to the second topic about the latest Parent Resident Visa.
Yeah.
Okay, there is actually an update for immigration just last week.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Maybe Hannah, can you tell us what will be the details in the update?
It actually just came over the weekend. So originally, Parent Resident Visa, you have to submit an expression of interest and it will be in a ballot system for you to get invited to apply. But after November this year, it will be a hybrid system. 90% will be selected by date order and then the 10% will be ballot system. So it kind of increases the chance of a parent getting invited to apply.
Okay. So in terms of timeline, of course we need to be practical, right?
Yeah.
So practically in terms of the timelines, if, for example, I submit my parents' resident visa EOI now, when do you think my applications will be get selected under the EOI?
Yeah. I don't want to be a fortune teller and say the right exact number, but the good thing about this new pathway is there's a higher chance of getting selected, maybe within 4 years if your EOI is still in the ballot system, but maybe earlier if you get chosen in the 10% of the ballot.
Yeah. Before we close, maybe can you give the audience a tips or two?
Yeah.
What is the main criteria, the most important criteria that they need to fulfill before they be able to apply for resident?
So in any application, the most important thing is that you have the right documents and you've reviewed everything and everything is consistent. So it's like cooking. So if you have bad ingredients, then you'll have bad food at the end. So if you give the best quality ingredients, then us, the chef, can cook a very good meal for immigration and that can get you the residence.
That's why you need QCL to help you guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks Hannah also for today's interview, and we hope that you get the gist of the information today. Again, please contact us or email us if you have any queries, and we'll see you in our next talk show.